Are you a developer looking to automate complex workflows using agents that actually collaborate? Today we're diving into CrewAI, one of the most talked about multi-agent AI frameworks in 2025. Is it really the best platform out there or just another overhyped tool? Let's find out in this honest review. So first is let's start with the core features that make CrewAI stand out. So first they have the role-based agent collaboration. So you don't just create agents, you assign them specific roles. So from researcher to analyst, the writer, and each agent knows its job and works as a real crew. Second is the multi-LLM support. So use OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, or even open source LLMs, all within the same workflow. Third is the built-in memory plus tool use. So agents can remember past actions, retrieve data, and even use tools like APIs or databases. Fourth is the simple YAML or YAML configuration. So it can define roles, tasks, and tools with a readable modular YAML file. So there is no need to write complex code unless you want to. And lastly is the real-time task chaining. So tasks are intelligently handed over from one agent to another based on capability, mimicking a real-world team. So let's talk about its pros. So what makes the developers love CrewAI? So here's what it stands out there. First is it is extremely customizable. So you can define complex agent workflows tailored to your project. It also has great documentation and community, so frequent GitHub updates and helpful Discord support. Next is it supports real-world tasks, so like scraping data, writing reports, summarizing PDFs, and more. And they also have it works well with LangChain, so you can plug into larger AI pipelines easily. And lastly is it is free and open source, so no license fees. It is perfect for indie devs and startups. But it's not perfect, and here are a few things to watch out for. So these are basically the cons. So first is it is still evolving. So not everything is stable, so you have to expect occasional bugs. Also, it is steep learning curve, so not beginner friendly. So if you're a new agent or YML, this is not really friendly beginner. Next is the LLM costs add up. So if you use premium APIs like GPT-4, usage can get pricey fast. Lastly is the no GUI yet. So entirely CLI based unless you build your own front end. So here is the summary. So is CrewAI worth it in 2025? So if you're a developer looking to create powerful multi-agent AI workflows and don't mind working in code, CrewAI is one of the best platforms available right now. It's flexible, developer-focused, and future-ready. So for hobbyists or non-technical users, it might feel too advanced, but for developers building agent-based applications, it is a solid 9 out of 10. So that's it for our review. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!